Hey guys, Hong here. So this is the app that I've been building. It's a web application. The name is called intenca, which means intentional internet. And I like ka because it's more like Akita or whatsoever, the Japanese anime. That's futuristic technology related, and it sounds like kind of robotic. And if this ever go to that big company size, I would create a robot. But for now, this is just a website. So yeah, the intention about this app is make internet intentional. So right now, there's a bunch of companies that always want you to, um, most company always want you to stay on the platform and keep you hooked by doomless scrolling, endless scrolling, and things that relate to you is always showing to you. So this is something that you might be interested. So that's why you spend so much time on it. But there is no way to get rid of that. So I just want to build a a platform that I can consume the same amount of information, but it is intentional instead of seeing the things that I don't want to see. So let me show you. This is the basic. You can see it's a very plain app. There would be no ads and there's no recommendation. So yeah, everything is intentional. So you have to decide. You see the bare minimum, the first layer of the internet first. Let me show you what I mean. So this is a journal, and there are many apps will be coming to this platform, and these are the things that I think is useful for most people. So the core feature, the core value of this website is intentional, and it boosts your productivity, and you can learn stuff using it and focus on that instead of endless scrolling. So this is the journal. You can type your journal here like previous day. This is just the basic feature right now, just to show you something. Yeah, you can just maybe making this intenca app, and I'll just save this. And the stock, this is just the price and the stock ticker itself. One thing that I particularly don't like about most stock app is so flashy, like all red and green. So it's more like a stoic version of it. You just get the most key information, which is the current price for now, unless you want more. So if you want more, you can tap on it. So for example, this is Nvidia. Let me check the updated price. Oh, the market is not open yet, so this is the price. And when I tap on Nvidia, and it will take me straight to Yahoo Finance Nvidia. For now, this is Yahoo Finance, but the cool thing is you can adjust. You can decide which page you want to go to. For example, you can go to Morningstars, you can go to Yahoo Finance, you can go to Google Finance maybe, or TradingView or whatever. You get to decide those where are you heading if you press that stock taker. So this, you have all the information you need here, the Nvidia, the charts, the financials. But yeah, the key thing is, as you can see, the first step, you want to consume this information. It's not a bunch of it. Like if you go straight to Yahoo Finance, there will be like overwhelmingly huge, lots of different stuff, maybe ads, maybe this video, the financials or whatever related information. The core value of this intenca is just show you the bare minimum. If you want more, you get there. But instead of every flooded information goes straight to you in the first place, and you need to decide which part you need to click. And this is just intentional. Take back the control of the intention instead of like what it gives to you is that you want to see something. So this is the core value. And yeah, you can add different ticker to it. There's a note. Basic note is not going to be looking so simple, maybe more feature of course later on, but just like an overview. You can add this here, maybe A B C D E F G but A. Okay, so let me save this, and it will go to save to here. And this is just a website, so you can use it across platform. It performs well on mobile device as well, so you can theoretically share this as a web application and place it on desktop. As long as you have the internet, you can log in and everything will be saved on the server. So there's a send tube, but there's nothing here at the moment, but I can show you what it will be like. So I have this SendTube app on App Store as well. So this is roughly what it will look like. The killer feature is SendTube is basically a YouTube client, but you can categorize them. So as you can see, it's like a list of videos here. Where this come from is from the subscription. So these are the channels that I subscribed to. As you can see, there's a lot of them, but the killer feature is I can categorize them. So this is coding channel, and I put all the coding channels that I like, I put it into it. And then there's Earth, entertainment, like finance, Godot, sorry. And then yeah, you just need to paste the YouTube link into it, and you will subscribe to that channel. You don't even need a YouTube account, and you can categorize them. That's where the magic happens. When you tap on tag, this is what I define the category, and then you see these are the tag channels, latest videos. So I can actually go to see like what latest Clear Brown videos are, Code Fusion videos are, or finance. I can have CNBC Market, or entertainment. I want to see Red Bread. Everything is accessible. You don't need to click around. You just sort it. You just categorize them. And yeah, this app is what I made. I created it, and it's all available on the App Store. Currently, it's a paid app, but not many people are downloading it. But it's such a cool app. I mean, I love it, and I've been using it ever since because it saves me time and it's more categorized. Because you can never use YouTube in a categorized way on the website, even with those extension that you can just hide it, and yeah, but you can never categorize it like this. I mean, I love what I make here. And yeah, if you want Godot, there's a Godot, robotics, and you can even just search about a topic that you want. For example, I want to know OpenAI, and these are of course the OpenAI channel, but there's also OpenAI, because I subscribe to OpenAI channel, but there's also Cold Fusion talk about it, Fireship talk about it. So this is just the favorite channels you subscribe to that talk about these topics. So there's no exploring on this app. It's just what you subscribe to it. And so it's intentional. If you want to explore, just go to youtube.com, somewhere else, and find something that you like. You add them here, and it will keep you updated. So yeah, and this app is gonna be what I'm doing on here on the web. Maybe there is some technical reason that some feature are lacking, but most of it works the same way. So yeah, you can consume all the information you want on here in a categorized way, instead of going to YouTube and then there's a recommended videos, what you might like, and ads and all the stuffs around it. none of it. Unless you want more, you can just click open in YouTube and you can go there, you can comment, you can like or whatever. But this is the first layer, just like the stock app. This is the first layer, and I'm gonna do a bunch of that in other apps that I can think of, or you can suggest it to me, and I'll add them here if it's possible. But right now, the thing about intenca, it's intentional internet. So give you the bare minimum that you want. If you want something extra, you can, but this is intentionally going to that place instead of forcing it into your face, and you need to always decide, should I click it or not. No, it's not that. It's just what you want, just right, just enough. And also I'm gonna add Kanban, maybe project management, maybe money management or goal management, reminder, those kind of app, everything in one place. I actually like Apple stock apps, but I also don't like Apple is closed sourced, so you cannot access it using Windows laptop or on the web. So that's why I try to make it as open as possible. It's not like it's open source, but I mean cross-platform as possible. And yeah, this is my first development log, and I hope you enjoy it. If you are curious about how it will go and when it becomes ready, you are the first to know. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.